Wells Fargo does offer temporary cards, also known as replacement cards or temporary debit cards, for their customers. These cards are usually provided to customers who have reported their original card lost or stolen, or if their card is damaged. To get a temporary card from Wells Fargo, you need to contact their customer service department, either by calling the number on the back of your card or by visiting a local branch. When you request a temporary card, Wells Fargo will guide you through the process and provide you with the necessary information and requirements. Once you have requested a temporary card, you can expect to receive it within a few days. The temporary card will have a limited time validity and will need to be replaced with a permanent card once it arrives. To use a temporary card with Wells Fargo, you need to activate it first by calling the phone number provided with the card or by visiting a local branch. You will be required to provide some identification and answer security questions to verify your identity. After activating the temporary card, you can use it to make purchases, withdraw cash, and access your account information. However, keep in mind that the temporary card may have some limitations, such as lower daily spending limits or limited access to certain features. It is essential to note that a temporary card is only a temporary solution and you should receive a permanent replacement card within a few weeks. Once you receive the permanent card, you should destroy the temporary card to avoid any potential security risks. In conclusion, using a temporary card with Wells Fargo is a straightforward process that requires you to contact their customer service department, activate the card, and use it until your permanent card arrives. Always remember to follow best practices such as keeping your temporary card safe and secure and monitoring your account activity regularly to avoid any potential security risks.